Pak flood 2010 has devastated several districts in all over Pakistan, but Sindh was the most affected among all others. Hence has been engaged in provision of services since the phase of emergency. Health and Nutrition Development Society, hence, is a registered not-for-profit organization working in the social sector since 1979 under the leadership of founder and chairman Professor Abdul Ghaffar Billo Sitara Imtiaz. Hence is providing benefits to more than 13 million of the population of more than 17,000 villages in 24 districts of Pakistan. Hence disaster management program started its early recovery plan from December 15, 2010, which ended on February 15, 2011. Meanwhile, Hence also initiated the assessment of all 8 districts as well as remained a part of the rapid assessment of flood-hit areas conducted by UN OCHA for 19 districts of Sindh. On the basis of the assessment report, Hence highlighted the strategic areas of intervention and developed a program named Ta'meer. The strategy is focused on family and village holistic development. Hence estimated the required funds of 8 billion rupees, that is 100 million US dollars, for the period of 3 years. Hence mobilized and created resources from several donors in achieving the set targets of Ta'meer strategy. Hence UNDP partnership with the assistance of the Japanese government started in March 2011 and is benefiting more than 500,000 people of the population of 356 villages in Thatta, Kankot and Shikarpur, with 5 different projects and total financial support of 226.12 million rupees. All these projects have the basic objective to improve the community's living conditions after the disaster and to bring back their routine life with dignity. Hence, social mobilization team started its work with PRA, that is participatory reflection analysis, at each village by developing village map on ground with community participation, which later was converted by Hence engineers into village construction map. Hence, social mobilizers facilitated the community members in forming 356 male and 356 female CBOs and built their capacity through 25 leadership trainings. The CBO signed a term of partnership for a better understanding and trust with Hence District Executive Manager. Hence engineers assessed the village and developed a master plan with feasibility. The CBOs identified the most vulnerable and needy for shelters, entrepreneurships, livestock and agri inputs. The CBOs invited 2 to 3 Hence accredited suppliers and asked for quotations for different material. Hence mobilization and engineering teams prepared a proposal on the basis of a resolution of men and women CBOs and submitted to the Hence district manager. Once reviewed and verified by the district office, it was then sent to Hence head office for the approval process. As soon as the first installment was approved from Hence head office, the funds were transferred to the CBO account and payment to contractors took place after an agreement. Soon model village started taking shape in Mazur village, Thatta. 225 shelters with kitchens, toilets and biosand filter facilities, as well as 20 street poles with solar lights and 1 community center has been built. 5 public schools have also been renovated in Kashmir, while 10 culverts were also constructed there. Out of total 1025 hand pumps, 325 have been installed for availability of water in 3 projects, while 700 hand pumps are in the process of installation in Shikarpur and Thatta. Hence also installed 230 water filters in 35 villages. Hence has also paved 358,000 square feet of streets as well as 141,000 square feet of link roads, providing market access and improved living conditions to the villagers. 3,149 people were empowered through 75 enterprise development training packages. Later, they received various kinds of assistance for the development of their own enterprises, like 80 mason kits, 400 grocery shop items, 123 donkey carts, 58 chinchi rickshaws, 200 sewing machines, 11 fish nets, 80 carpenter kits, 2 barber shops, 1 milk shop, 60 bull carts, 2 tire shops, 2 machine tool kits, 70 horse carts, 100 push carts, 3 tailor shops, 85 agri inputs, and 470 livestock were given to support their livelihood. Women have also benefited by assistance for topi and gutch making equipments after receiving training on these skills.
मुख्य ही चिंकी इन जो हाणे 400-500 डेली कमायो थो।
मेरा नाम बख्तावर है। असा कमेंदो ॾींदा 1000 800 900 250 बच्चा थींदी ॾींदा।
In Shikarpur, the project is also focusing on social protection along with other components. In this project, a legal rights support desk is being established at Shikarpur. Alhamdulillah, hence UNDP partnership with financial assistance of the Japanese government has transformed 356 rural villages of Sindh and will go a long way to improve the livelihood of the poorest of the poor. Millions of Pakistani men, women and children are looking forward to see this partnership grow for the betterment of their livelihood.